Hey, all right. Today we're doing the creepy Vampiress Doodle. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So, I pick up these little dollar store notepads and I doodle in them. And this is one that I had a doodle in. I actually did a large scale one for an art show, and it didn't sell. It's still down in the basement somewhere. But with this one, it was really quick. I don't know. It's kind of crudely drawn, but I kind of really like it. And there's two things I'm going to confess. There's two things I'm not good at drawing. That's hair and hands. So my hair is always going to look bad, or I think it looks bad. But here's the thing. You got to keep doing it, right? You got to keep drawing to get better. And so I keep drawing hair poorly, but maybe one day I'll get better at it. Who knows? We'll see. Maybe y'all are digging it. I don't know. But this one, I kept it simple. Again, I always say that a lot. I kept it simple, but purple skin. Yeah, she's totally weird looking. It's really throwing out some creepy vibes with this one, but kept it purple. When it's dark hair, I kind of go back to the comic book era of things and always add in the blue. Sometimes I add in the highlights, sometimes I don't, but it's always, if it's dark hair, it's going to be blue. I did my typical shading for the clothes and threw a green background. But there you go. I hope you dig it. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. See ya.